How to create Yubo account. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your Yubo account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up the Yubo app. So once you open the Yubo app, you have to tap on sign up. Then tap on create an account. Then here enter your first name. Then here enter your birthday. Then you have to choose your gender. Then it will automatically continue, and here you have to tap on this plus to add a profile picture. Here you will get few options to choose your pic. Take a selfie, add a photo from gallery, record a video, or add a video from gallery. So I'm just gonna add a picture from my gallery. After choosing a photo, tap on continue. Now here you have to choose a unique username, and that here you have to choose a password. The password should be 8 characters long, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, 1 number, and 1 special character. So let me enter a password. After choosing a password, tap on continue. Then here you have to enter your phone number. So first tap on your country code and select your country. Then after selecting, enter here your phone number. After entering phone number, tap on continue. Then Yubo will send a code to your phone number. After receiving, enter it here. I have received. So enter the code here. After entering the code, Yubo is creating your account. Now here if you want, you can turn on your location. If you don't want, you can tap on skip. And now here these are the community guidelines. You should go through this, and then after that you can tap on accept. To use Yubo, you have to verify your age. Without it, you can't use the Yubo app. So you have to tap on verify my age. Then you have to let Yubo record your screen, take pictures. So you can tap on only this time or while using the app. Then here in this circle you have to put your face, and your age will be verified. So tap on close. And this is how you can create an account on the Yubo app. Thanks for watching.